The Rockville M25 USB wireless MIDI keyboard pairs 25 full-size, velocity-sensitive keys with a very compact footprint that slips easily into a backpack or tight studio desk. Built-in Bluetooth and a straightforward USB connection let this controller talk to laptops, tablets, and phones without extra adapters, which makes it especially handy for quick mobile sessions. A bank of 8 backlit drum pads responds well to finger drumming and clip launching, giving beat makers a satisfying way to tap out rhythms on the go. 4 assignable knobs and 4 sliders provide hands-on control over synth parameters and mixer levels, so you can shape sounds and automation without constantly reaching for a mouse. The integrated joystick and arpeggiator add expressive performance tricks that are rare at this size, letting you bend pitch, modulate effects, and spin out evolving patterns very quickly. With broad compatibility across major digital audio workstations on personal computer, Mac, iOS, and Android, plus a rechargeable battery that lasts through long writing sessions, it slots smoothly into almost any modern production setup.